Okay, so we talked about how to make more interactive assignments inside of your HyperDoc, and obviously you could really pretty these up a lot more. This was just a basic, simple version of that, but I also really like when I can put graphics with links and things that are a little more eye-catching on the page. So cool thing about hyperlinks is you can also link them to pictures, images, graphics, really anything you want to. It doesn't just have to be words. So here we have that hyperdoc image from the previous video. If I want to add a link here, I'm going to link it to the definition of hyperlink. So I've got what is a hyperlink here. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. And then I'm going to link this image to that web page so that when students click on it, it'll take them to that definition. And that would be a really cool way to do vocabulary activities, a little bit more interactive way, is to have kids maybe click on the image, it takes them to a page or another graphic that would help them understand that material. So I'm going to select my image, which I already did here. My HyperDocs has this blue rectangle around it. And I'm going to go to Insert. I go down to Link. And since I've already copied that website that I want it to go to, I'm going to paste it and then hit apply. So now that is hyperlinked. If I want to check it, I'll just hit present, click on my HyperDoc, and now I know what a hyperlink is. And there's my definition. Okay, I'm going to escape. All right, last part. So sometimes I also like to actually embed the videos as well. So remember, embedding the video is different from linking the video. If I link the video, it's going to actually take you to that page where the video is on an external page, but you can also embed it, and sometimes that's better for aesthetics. It just really depends on what you want your pages to look like. So if I want to embed, I'm just going to go to Insert, Video. I could type in a search here as well, but I'm going to do that same HyperDoc video that I was using before. I'm going to copy that link. Got a lot of tabs up here. I'm going to go to the By URL. You could also add any videos you had in your Google Drive. That would be cool too. It's going to go ahead and pop up. I'm going to make sure it is the correct video. In this case, it is. I'm going to hit select. And my HyperDoc tutorial is linked to my slides. So you have options here. On our table of contents, we went ahead and linked that to the external website. So if that was something that you want to do, you could. But there is a difference between actually embedding that video and linking it to the external site like YouTube. All right, I hope you enjoy creating your HyperDoc, HyperSlide, hyperlinked adventures for your students. Sometimes it takes a little bit of extra time on the creating end, but there's some really cool stuff out there for you made already, and it's definitely worth a try. Get more students engaged and get them learning on their own and looking for information by themselves, which is what we want. We want those independent learners.